Okay, I'm going to quickly walk you through this. You should have received an email that says your access to self-care isn't selfish course. I apologize for the tech gremlins. I blame Mercury retrograde. But if you click on this link, I apologize. The self-care isn't selfish link. If you open that, it's not going to go anywhere. Just some tech gremlins. So please ignore that and head back to just your portal. This is your portal for all of your access to the regular Hypno Yoga portal and our course access there. So now that you have been granted access, I apologize. So if it takes you to this screen, don't worry about that. Go ahead and just put your email that you used to sign up and your name. And you've already purchased this offer. We know that. Okay, so all we need to do is just, as always, head to portal.hypnoyogaonline.com. That's your main portal. From here, you go to your home tab, go over to courses. So you see what I did there? I clicked home up the left top corner. Then go to courses. And now that you've been granted access, you will see both of these courses. Whether you go under all courses, my courses, those are your courses. This is the regular companion toolkit. So this is where you have, you click over here to syllabus. This is where you have all of your breathing techniques and other resources. But now you've been given access to Self-Care Isn't Selfish. So go ahead and click on that. And you can go through it one by one. If you hit this big Start Learning tab, you will see the welcome message and you can scroll through. This is
Welcome in, everyone, to Self-Care Isn't Selfish.
Okay, and then the next one is a
Welcome
automated
to Self-Care
slide presentation.
Isn't Selfish.
If you prefer,
this
you can
video
try
is
both.
dedicated to helping caregivers stop putting themselves last and build.
We also have your audios, your caretaker, your morning activation, and I'm going to be uploading some more for you guys, so I'll let you know. But if you go over here to syllabus, see, instead of overview, scroll over to syllabus. Expand all sections, you can see all of those modules here and you can jump around. So if you want to go straight there, you're ready for your caregiver replay. If you are ready to go ahead and just go to your guided meditations, listen to your the caretaker audio. It's right here on your portal and you can listen to it as you see fit. Again, easy enough. Anytime you want to get here, I recommend saving this to your home screen. You can go to the main portal here and always find your way back